So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, we'll cover the first module of this Connect Data Cloud to Agentforce and Prompt Builder. Many of you are facing issues, so you need to take care that we need to start basically complete all these modules in one go, because the playground which will be activating expires within 24 hours. So first of all, let's complete the first module. You have to just click on this checkbox and click on create playground. Now our email will be sent to your registered email address, which is linked to the Salesforce account, and here we have to just reset the playground password. So wait for a few seconds, the email will arrive here. Now here you can see the email has arrived. To check the spam in case the inbox is not present, basically the mail is not present, now you have to click on this URL, and here just first of all close your mailbox and reset the password. How you have to reset, let me tell you. You have to click on reset, and you have to enter the password of your choice. You can use any password, just make sure you remember the password. Now enter the password carefully, and at last there is a security question, so you need to remember it. You can write anything, just type the security question and just click on change password. Now we have to sign in and connect our playground. You have to just close this page once it is updated. Now come back here and click on connect playground. So just click on connect playground, and here basically you have to paste the username. Make sure you have copied the username previously. In case you haven't, come back here and just copy the username carefully, and then click on connect playground. Now replace the username if it shows different, and just paste the password. Now many of you are facing some kind of issues, so in that case you need to wait for 24 hours for the playground to get reset and start again from zero, because if you start over from any missing part, then you won't be able to complete this course. So make sure to wait, and now just follow as I am doing. Now here just click on yes, save it, and finally we are done with module 1. So you have to just verify, go to bottom, and here you will get verify points. You have to just click on it and you'll get 100 points without any issue. Now we'll start the next module, so just stay tuned, and I will try to cover it in this module only. Many of you are facing issue on 2 and 3. Now just click on the module 2, and here just click on the launch option. Now here basically you have to just click on the launch option, and the lightning page will open automatically. Now here we have to do some steps, and many of you are facing some kind of issue. No need to worry, we'll cover each and everything with ease. So once the page is loaded, just wait for a few more seconds, and here we will do some task. So first of all, you need to just come back to the main instruction page, and from here you can see that we have to just complete these parts. Okay, we don't have to do basically demo parts. We have to just create some external reservation. Basically we are bringing external data into the contact page, so this is very easy task. Let's complete it together. Now come back to the main page of this. Now from this app launcher we have to just open data cloud. So just click on this app launcher and type data cloud. Make sure there is space between data and cloud. Now you have to just click on it, and now please pay attention because many of you may face unnecessary error in this task. So we'll be covering each and everything step by step. Now here click on data streams, and now here just click on new data stream. Okay, you have to just click on new data stream, wait for the page to open. Now sometimes it may take time. Now for the connected sources you have to select Salesforce CRM and just come down and click on next. And for this data it will be custom bundle. Basically you can see here, let me show you. First of all, let the page to load. Yes, here is standard bundle. Now you have to just scroll down and select custom bundle. You can see this one. You have to select, make sure it is selected carefully. Now click on next. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. Now finally it has been loaded. Now we have to just click on next and deploy. How we have to do? First of all, cross verify all the things are carefully matched, and just click on next and just click on deploy. So here is the deploy option. Now wait for it to get deployed. It will take some time. Now here finally you can see all the data streams have been loaded here, but that's not the end. Here basically we need to understand that it's currently not fully deployed and active. Now in the last run status and last process status, it will show success. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes to get updated, so you need to wait for it. You have to just refresh it like this. Or one more thing, what you need to do, you need to select all the data streams and then click on update status. So better I will recommend wait for 15 minutes and then try to update it. So here basically you have to select all the data stream and click on update status. It will show like this. So as you can see, it's currently active but not has ingested all the data. Once it is done, it will show success reports, so better wait for more time. And in case you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you subscribe it and like the video. Now here you have to just update the status. You can see the status has been finally, after 15 to 20 minutes, the status has been updated to success. Now we will proceed to the next step of this lab. Now just follow along with me and you'll get full score without any issue. Now once you see this kind of output, what you need to do, just please pay attention to each and every step. Now once you see, wait for a few more seconds. Now click on identity resolutions on the top. Now from here you can see the filter is here. The filter is over here. We have to just modify the filter. From here click on new. First of all, you can just click on all identity resolutions also, and then create. There won't be any issue, I think so. So once you are done with this, you have to just click on new. Just click on new and wait for some time. Sometimes it takes update. Now you have to create a new rule set. You have to just click on create new rule set. Come over here and you can see we have to create individual CCID. Many of you are facing issues on this particular lab, basically task. So make sure follow carefully. Now you can see we have to add primary DMO. DMO full form, can you comment what is the full form of DMO in the comment box? Now here for the primary DMO, just select individual, and the secondary DMO will also be individual only. Just select it like this. Now rule set ID will be CCID. Where is the CCID? You can see here. Now copy it carefully and just paste over here, and then you have to just cross verify all the details over here again. Make sure there is no extra space or dot, and you have copied carefully. Now click on next. Now for here we have to just enter the rule set name and description. So copy the name from here, basically from module 2 we are doing. Copy the name from here, and for the description also copy from here to here. So just copy it like this and run job automatically, disable it, and then you have to just click on save and then configure. So just wait for some time till it gets saved. Now here you have to just click on save and just wait for a few more minutes, and once it is successfully saved, it will show like this. From here you have to just click on configure, and then we have to click on next, and then again you have to click on configure, and from here we have to select the first one, that is the name and normalized email. You have to just check it and cross verify from the lab instruction to if they update. Now click on next. Now all things are correct. Now click on next again and just save it. So we have saved it. Now you can see here you have to just click on run rule set. So just click on it. You have to just click on once, and the job status will start pending, and then it will be in progress. Now from here you can see the status is now in progress. Wait for it to get completed or succeeded. It will take 5 to 6 minutes, and you can just wait for some more time and we'll move forward to the next step of this part, basically the module. So just wait for 5 to 6 minutes. So finally here you can see the job status is now succeeded. Now we can proceed to the next step of this module. So please pay attention to each and every step whatever I am doing. So here first the job is succeeded. We need to wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes for it to get populated, because many of you may face some kind of issues like external reservation is not showing, the CCID is not showing. All things will be covered in this video, no need to worry about it. Now just wait for some more time. Now from here you can see here we have to just click on this settings icon and click on setup. Once the job is succeeded, we have to click on the setup icon and just we have to make some changes over here. First thing is that you have to click on the object manager over here, and once you have click on it, now from here we have to just find it, the contact. Yes, you heard it right. First of all, remove this unwanted pop-up over here. You can see this is the unwanted pop-up. We have to remove it, just dismiss it, and if you don't use the control F, you could use the quick find to find it. Now click on contact. Here multiple things are here, you have to select only contact, not contract. Make sure to check the spelling also. Now here click on the contact option. Now wait for the page to load. Now from here we have to just update the DCRL and the basically lightning record pages. What is DCRL? Can you guess? Yes, it is data cloud related list. We will be modifying it, and another thing is that we'll open the record pages. So let's start with the data cloud related list. You have to just click on it, and from here you have to just click on new option. Now just click on new option and remove this unwanted pop-up. You can click on get started also, and if you close, just click on new. Now here many of you are facing issues like you are unable to find the reservation, basically external reservation. So here when you search here, you can see we are having external reservation here, but many of you are facing issue that it is not visible here. So how you will fix it, I will show you in this video, no need to worry about it. Now if you are seeing this, you can proceed for the next step, and if you are not showing, basically it is not showing over here, we'll move forward to how to enable it. So do not worry, everyone will be covered in this video, and this is very detailed video. And one more important thing I want to say, make sure you are following in single go. Try to complete this complete course in single sitting, or at least if you are doing, try to complete the one module in the 24-hour only, basically sorry, complete whole course in 24-hour only, otherwise you may face issue. Now come over here into the new page, and from here you have to just click on data model. Just click on the data model and the page will fully load over here. Now in the data model you can see external reservation option is here. You have to just click on the external reservation, and we have to modify some changes basically. So you can see all these objects are here, basically object label. If you face any issue like you are unable to find the account contact or individual, you have to just click like this. You have to just click like this, and from here you can see the edit button on the top. You can see you have to just click on the edit button, and do not make any other changes. You have to just save it. Just save it and you will be able to find it. Just click on save, and once you have saved it, now chances are there you may still be unable to find this external reservation on the data model object page. Like, let me show you, where is the page here. In that case, if you are unable to locate the external reservation over here, what do you need to do? You need to just close the page and reload the browser window. Yes, you heard it right, you have to just close it. Let me show you, and just reload the browser window and just open it like this. So we are proceeding to the next step. Now you have to just click on external reservation and then click on next. Now once you have click on next, you have to just cross verify the name. So for the name we have to update the name. So come back to the module, and just you can see we have done all the above steps. Now from here we have to just update the module name, sorry, the names. So you can see here all these things are over here, and we have to just make some modifications. So the first thing is that we have to just come over here, and just you can see where is the thing. Yes, here is the thing. So we have to update it to external reservation to reservation, sorry, external reservation to reservation. Now we have to just copy the name carefully and come to the lightning experience page, sorry, contact page, and then once you have updated it, child relationship name into reservation, you have to just click on the next button. Okay, make sure there is no spelling mistake in it. Make sure you have clearly copied the name. Then you have to just click on the next option, and then we'll proceed to the next step. So if you have any queries, you can let me know in the comments, and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now again, we have to update the related list. So just copy the name carefully again and just paste over here and just click on next. Now once this thing is done, we'll open the lightning record pages. Okay, just click on lightning record pages, and here you can see contact record page is here and multiple things are over here. So we have to just click on contact record pages, wait for it to get fully open. Now click on the first edit option. It will take some time. Now here, this is very easy task. You need to pay attention to each and every step whatever I do. So first of all, wait for the page to load. Now here I will zoom in for you to help it. Just let me zoom in. Now remove the unwanted pop-up. Now from here you can see the dynamic related list single. You have to just drag it in between these two. Which two? Let me show you. First of all, we have to drag this one. So how we'll drag it? Let me show you. First of all, we'll remove this unwanted pop-up from here, and you can see you have to drag it in between we found and opportunities. So once you have dragged it, you will see this kind of output, and then from here you can see all these things are available here. Now this is very easy task. You need to pay attention. From here you need to just find it. Yes, the related list we have to update two reservations. Okay, and the related list has been updated also. Now here we have to do some modifications, so let me show you what modifications we have to do. Now here, once you have updated the related list and the related list label, we have to update the records page. So here you can see related list field. You have to just add field. Basically what you have to add, that is check-in date, check-out date. You have to just add one by one. You cannot add all at once, so please pay attention. Now checkout date also. Now again add another field, room type. Now again add another field. So here are the fields mentioned. You can just follow this one also. Basically, yeah, reservation type is status, sorry, reservation status. Now click on done. Now from here we have to remove the record ID. So how you have to remove? You have to just click on this X button. Okay, we have to just remove the record ID from here. Just click on this X button. It will delete the field. Now once you have done all these things, we have to do sorting. Basically we have to sort a field. So how you'll sort? So first of all, you can see here related list filters is here. You have to just add a filter over here, and then we'll be able to create it. So let me see. So here check-in date and the operator will be, can you guess, not equal to. Now value, we don't have to write anything, so just click on done. Just click on done and all these things have been added. Now regarding this part, we have completed it. We have to just save and analyze it. So just save and activate the page. So once it is saved, we have to click on the activation page and it will be activated. If it's not saved, you have to just click on save button again and then activate it. Once it's grayed out, you can see here it is finally grayed out. Now click on activation option. The lightning app, basically our app, will be deployed and activated. You can ignore this and just you have to verify the score. So let's come to the page and see whether we get score or not. So here you have to just click on verify step to earn 100 points. So it will take some time, so wait for it. So in case you haven't liked the video yet, like it and subscribe the channel. Finally, we have completed the part 2 also. Now for part 3, we'll continue in this video only. So do like the video and subscribe the channel, and let's start part 3 of this module. Basically, it will be very easier and you'll be able to complete it. So stay tuned and let's start. So now from here we'll start the module 3. So just make sure you have not expired the playbook. So basically playground, and now you have to just click on launch. So just click on the launch pad, and this one is also very tricky type of module. So please pay attention to each and every step. Now wait for the page to fully load. Now here finally we have loaded the page. Now from here we have to do something. What we have to do, we have already explored in this lab. So let me show you the step-by-step guide for this module. You have to just click on this app launcher, and from here again you have to type, wait a second, type flows. So you have to just type the flows, and from the filter we have to click on all flows. Okay, so just click on the all flows option from this drop down. Let me show you how you have to click. So here just click on it and select all other list all flows. Now once all flows are listed here, we have to just search the guest check-in. So how you have to search, you can just type it also, and in case you are unable to find it, you have to just do one thing, you have to type it completely and then hit enter if it is not updated automatically. So you have to just click on it. Okay, now many of you are facing issue that you are unable to find the guest check-in. So for that, what you need to do, you need to copy the entire name, check-in dash in guest event. You can check the module for the correct name also. I'll show you in case you are unable to find it. No need to worry about it. Now from here, we have to just open the flow. So first of all, let me show you what you need to do. Here we have opened the guest check-in. Just click on open the flow and the page will fully open. Now the builder is opening. Here we have to modify the flows, and many of you are facing issue and that you are unable to find the CCID here and DMO object also. So wait for some time, we'll discover it and complete the lab with ease. Now from here, what you need to see, you have to just click on the unified link one, and then we'll be modifying it. So how will modify it? First of all, you have to just click on the unified link. Now from here you have to just click on the unified link one, and here first of all remove this unwanted pop-up. Now after that, what you need to understand is, first of all, basically you dismiss this unwanted pop-up, and then we have to just modify all the files, basically all the filters, and just complete step by step. So here first of all you need to remove this unwanted pop-up as I said earlier. Just click on this, and for the get records of the object, data source will be data cloud object. Instead of salesforce object, it will be data cloud object. So just click on it, and now for the data space it will be individual, so sorry, default. First data space will be default and the object will be individual. So you have to just select it, come over here, wait a second, come to the module instructions. You can see over here they have clearly mentioned all steps. So the object will be unified link individual CCID. We have to just paste over here and it will appear. If it is not appearing, try to reload the browser and just search it. Basically you can search it also if it is not visible like this. Now just copy it carefully and just come over here and paste it. Do not use the control F, just paste the object page and just click on it. Now here you can see these things have been loaded. Now come down, and here in the field section we have to make some modifications. Basically we have to add some values over here. Now for the values, what you'll do, you need to come to the lab instructions, basically the module instructions to be more precise. So here we'll add a field and then operator and then value. Now from here you can see here two individual fields are here, You have to select the individual ID, and then it will be basically in the fields operator will be equals, and from here you can see the value. Let me show you the value first of all. We just come down over here, it will be contact record ID. Just copy it carefully and just come over here and just paste over here and just select it and just click on anywhere in the page. Now we don't have to add a conditions. I'm just showing how you can add a condition if you are doing for personal projects. Okay, now here just do all these things and just save it. Now once it is done, we'll move forward to the unified link 2, and then we'll move forward to each and every step one by one. So in case you haven't liked the video yet, to like it and subscribe the channel too. Now let's open the unified link 2. Now here again, one has been successfully done, and now we are doing 2. It will be similar, but here are slightly some of the filters will be added, I think so. So first of all, change the data source to data cloud object, and then it will be data space default. Now we have to just use unified individual ID. Okay, so here we have to just use unified linked individual ID like this. And now here for the field, so for the field we have unified individual ID. So can you guess, previously in the unified link 1, did we add individual ID or unified individual ID? Can you comment down below? Now for the value, you have to copy this value and just paste over here. And if it shows like this, do not worry, just click anywhere in the mouse cursor, basically on the page. Now add a filter, and here we have to add an external value data source object. So if you are following the way I'm doing, you'll see data source object over here, and just the value will be, it starts with, and paste the value external. Now here once it's done, you can see all things are correct. You have to just click on the save button. Okay, you can find the save button above. Make sure all the details are correctly filled so that you can save it with ease. And if you face any issue, just rewatch the video from that part and just start it. Now many more things are here. You need to watch the video carefully. If you miss a single step, you have to wait for 24 hours, because sometimes what happens, the due to any bug, if you are unable to complete the module, you have to restart from module 1. Yes, you heard it right. Many of you are facing this kind of error due to this only. Now you have to just save it, and then we'll move forward to the reservation element. So it's saving. So finally it has been saved. Now let's move to the reservation element. Now first of all, remove this unwanted pop-up, and just you have to just come over here, use the basically mouse cursor to locate. You can just scroll it by clicking on a mouse cursor and just click on the reservation. You have to just change the data source object again, and the object will be here. What will be the object? Can you guess? They have clearly mentioned on the lab instruction. You have to just come over here and just choose the contact ID. So basically, sorry, contact, not external reservation. We will choose the external reservation, and many of you are facing issues like you're unable to locate. In the previous module, I have already shared how you can enable it, so you can just go to that part of this video and just complete it. Now here we have to just add the value of unified link to score record ID, and just first of all from here you have to just select this contact ID, and then it will be in the value field. So just paste the value field like this. If you're unable to see, just click on anywhere, and now we have to sort it, basically check in date CC to descending order. Now here do not click on this, sorry, you have to click on this, and then you have to just click on check in date CC. Sorry for the mistake, you have to just click on this and just sort it. From here just click on this, you have to just press enter, and it will show on the top that is check in date CC. Now once all these things are done, we have to just save it again, and we'll move forward to the event summary. Yes, we'll move forward to the event summary, and then we'll complete the lab. So in case you haven't liked the video yet, to like it, and let's move forward to the next step of this module. Now here just click on save, and then once the save is done, basically the file is saved, then you have to just click on the event summary, and we are in the last step of this particular module, so please pay attention, make sure you haven't done any mistake yet. Now here we have to just add the value over here. So just we have to just add the value over here, copy the value carefully, and just paste over here and click on anywhere. Now once you have done, you have to just save the basically flow. You have to just save the flow, make sure, and then we have to just activate it. And after that we have to enable some of the settings, then we'll be done with this particular module. First of all, save it and then just activate it. You have to just click on activate, and it will take some time. Now we have to enable some of the Agentforce action and some of the commands, so do not worry, it is very easy. Once you are done with this, you have to just come to this page and just click on the setup option. So if you are unable to find this, you have to just go to the top and click on launch. A new Salesforce page will be opened. You can see all these things we have to do, and let me show you how you can navigate and find. When you click on verify step, it will show some kind of hint like which step is missing, like it will show external reservation not detected. So you can go to that part of the video and complete it. You can just complete it using module also, but video it will be easier for you to understand, because this kind of thing is little bit harder when you are just reading, so video helps in learning also. Now here you can see they have ensured that we haven't enabled this, so we will enable this. I will show you step by step what kind of hint they give and how you can complete it. Now once come to this, copy the name carefully and send setup, copy it carefully, and from the quick find just paste over here and click on it. Now from here, once it will be opened, we have to just enable the toggle, so just click on it, and from here you have to just turn on the Einstein. Click on this toggle. You can see here this is the first toggle which we have to enable, so just click on the first toggle, and after that we have to just open Einstein sales also. So again from this search box just type Einstein sales, and you can see you have to just click on it and enable it. So turn on sales email, you have to just turn it on, and you'll see this kind of thing. Now after that we have to refresh the browser, because if you don't refresh the browser, let me show you, you have to search the agents also. You can see we are not getting. Why we are not getting? Because we haven't refreshed it. So you can see they have clearly mentioned in point number 6 also, we have to just refresh the browser also. So just refresh it again, and once you have refreshed it, you can just search it and you'll be able to find the agents. So just click on the agents option, and from here just turn on this. So once you have turned on this, you can see all these things are here. Now again, if you want to refresh the browser, you can refresh it. First of all, let's check the score and see what kind of error we are getting, so that it will help. And if you are don't want to see the error, you can just skip this part of this video, because many of you want to explore the error part also, so that's why I am showing over here. Also, I have already uploaded this video more than 2 times, I think so. So basically not this video, basically the course, you can just check it out. I have shared the playlist link in the description too. Now we have to just enable this one. So wait for a second, we can see Agentforce assets. So you have to just enable this asset. So copy the asset carefully, on the search box type it, and just hit enter. You can see the Agentforce assets are available here. You have to just click on it. Now here we have to just create a new action. So come to the action tab and wait for the page to fully load, and then click on new agent action. You have to just click on it, wait for some time, and now for here you have to just select the reference action type. It will be flow. Let's see whether it's flow. Yes, it is flow. Now just click on flow. Now for the reference action, just click it check in guest. Now we have to just click on the next option. If you are unable to see, just zoom out and then click on next. Now here all things are correctly mentioned over here. Cross verify. Now just cross verify once again. So here we have to, I think, make some modifications. So just remove this, click on requires input, and the main thing is that show in conversation and then finish. So once you have done this, click on the finish option. Now let's check the score. Chances are there will get the score without any issue, and if you're not getting, you can proceed to the next step, basically what they have mentioned on the lab menu. But as far as I concern, I have seen that we are getting the score without any issue. So that's how we'll complete this module. And if you like the way I have solved, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now we'll move forward to the last module of this lab, basically codes, which is very easy. It will take at least 30 to 40 seconds to get completed. And if you have watched the video, basically I will recommend complete all these courses in one go, because once the basically the playground starts, you need to complete all in single go only. Otherwise, if you exceed the 24-hour deadline, you have to just start over. That's why many of you are facing issue. So you need to understand. Now let's come back again, and then we'll start the module 4. So let's start the module 4 and let's complete it together. Now here basically we'll be opening the module 4. That is very easy, so please pay attention to it. Now once you'll click on it, first of all click on it. Now after that you have to just click on the launch option. Now it will open the new page, and here basically we have to create a prompt template. That is very easy task, no need to worry about it. Now after that, from here you have to just click on this setup icon. Now from here what you need to do, you can see here from the quick find you have to just type prompt builder and just click on it. Now just click on the prompt builder page, will open. Now from here we have to just click on the new prompt builder, and here just refresh in case you face issue. Now just select as I am doing, come over here and just select as I am doing, paste the name and API name carefully. Chances are there the API name will be pre-populated. Still always check the menu instruction, and then at last update the sample description. So you have to just update the description over here and just click on the, basically we have to just check the recipient, and related object will be guest event, and then we have to just click on the guest event and then proceed to the next option. Just click on next. Now from here we have to copy the prompt carefully. So just copy the prompt carefully from here to here and just paste over here, Control V, and then just save. So you can see we did not get any error, and finally we are done with this complete module. So if you like the way I have solved this module, do like the video and subscribe the channel, and let's see whether we get full score or not. And for other Salesforce related challenges, to comment down if you need any other module. And that's how we completed the entire module in one shot. So basically you have to follow this module one by one and complete within 24 hours to get the badge. And that's how we completed the complete module. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and let me show you my channel in case you are completely new to this platform. So basically we have a Telegram channel too, you can join it. So first of all, this is my channel, make sure you have subscribed it and do like the video and subscribe it too.